Welcome to Echo Speak English. Today, we're going to talk about some of those short, common words you see all the time, in texts and emails. Let's jump right in.
So, have you ever been texting with someone and all of a sudden you see these strange capital letters like ASA or BTW? It can be pretty confusing, right? Well, don't worry, because today we're going to figure it all out together.
Okay, so first things first, what exactly are abbreviations?
It's really simple. An abbreviation is just a short way of writing a longer word or phrase. Think of it like a nickname. We use them all the time, just to make communication a little bit faster and easier.
All right, that's the what, but how do they actually work in a real conversation? Let's take a look and see them in action.
Hey there, I need that report ASAP. ASAP, what does that mean?
ASAP. This one stands for as soon as possible. You'll hear this one a lot when something is urgent and needs to be done, well, right away. It's basically a quick way of saying, please do this now.
Okay, now it's your turn to try. Let's say it together. Just the letters. Ready? A, S, A, P. One more time. A, S, A, P. You got it?
Okay, I'll send it. BTW. Are you going to the party? BTW? Yep, BTW. This one means by the way. It's really useful when you want to change the subject or maybe just add a little extra information. It's kind of like saying, oh, and another thing. Great job. Let's practice saying this one too. Repeat after us. BTW. Perfect. BTW.
I am. FYI, it starts at 9 p.m. FYI, let me guess. Does that mean for your information?
You got it. That's exactly right. FYI stands for your information. You use this one when you're just sharing a helpful piece of information, like a quick update or a little fact. Okay, your turn to practice. Let's hear it. FYI. One more time. FYI. Awesome.
Great, thanks. Your text message earlier made me LOL. LOL.
Ah, LOL. This is a really popular one. You'll see it everywhere. It means laugh out loud. So, when a friend tells you a funny joke or sends you a funny picture, you can just type LOL. It's a super quick way to show them you're laughing.
Okay, one last one to practice. Let's say it together. LOL. Fantastic. LOL.
You are doing so great. So, before we finish up, let's do a super quick review of everything we learned today. Okay, here are the 4 abbreviations we covered. Let's see if you remember. First up was ASAP. That's as soon as possible. Then we had BTW, which means, by the way. What about FYI? Yep, for your information. And last but not least, LOL is laugh out loud. How'd you do? Did you remember them all?
All right, now you have 4 awesome new tools for your English conversations. But the most important part is to actually go out and practice them.
Knowing these is really going to help you understand texts and online chats so much better. The best way to remember them is to practice. So, try using one of them in a message today.
Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure to subscribe for more English lessons to help you speak with confidence. We'll see you next time.